Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Bangladesh is distributing food items among the flood victims in Sylhet and Sunamganj. Within 24 hours of the descent, the Ahmadiyya Relief Team reached the flood-hit area with relief supplies. Under the direction of the current Caliph of the World Ahmadiyya Muslim Community, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, Aidallahu Ta'ala binasrihil Aziz. At present, the distribution of relief among the flood victims is continuing in Haor areas of Sunamganj and other places. Maulana Shah Muhammad Nurul Amin, convener of the relief distribution team, said, "Our relief distribution team is dividing dry food, jeera, molasses, sugar and rice, pulses, oil, and food saline among the flood victims in the affected areas. We will continue our distribution activities." The Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat conducts humanitarian services around the world at its own expense. As part of this, relief work has been undertaken under immediate measure. Earlier, since the onset of the coronavirus epidemic, the group has been distributing coronavirus awareness leaflets and free hand sanitizers across the country, conducting cleanup campaigns, distributing food among the needy families. The Ahmadiyya Youth Organization has also played a special role in burying the bodies of those who died in Corona. Shoptorshi Desk Report, Dhaka.